Hello, here I have built a standalone synthesizer for a MIDI keyboard that I bought from a second-hand shop. So I bought the keyboard and I thought, why not build a synthesizer? So I have a React STM32 H750. That's my sound engine. I have an Arduino Mega ADK, which is my USB host for the MIDI keyboard. I have 8 pots wired in to a multiplexer. The STC scans the mux and reads the potentiometers one by one. And I have 8 LEDs on the top, driven by an 8-bit shift register. I also have an LCD, but I haven't done anything with that yet. It's got a full ADSR envelope for attack, decay, sustain and release. So that's just sustain, no attack, no decay and no release. Add some attacking. You can see the attack. Add some decay. I can add some release. It's a nice wah-wah. If I drop the sustain off, I can also adjust my frequency. So can't play keyboard. I was bored, so I built myself a synthesizer. LEDs for VU meter. I may add some graphics for the LCD, maybe a little graphic equalizer display. But I thought it's good. It's a monolithic keyboard, so you can only press one key at one time. It's not polyphonic. Just mono, so one key only. Anyway, ta-da! I built a synthesizer. Alright, cheers, bye.